Hello, sports fans. I'm Ralph Luck. Welcome to RV'ing with Luck. As I full-time RV with my cat, Ninja, the martial arts cat. Let's take a little walk today in this state trust land or state land area that I'm on. And of course, Ninja's going to come along and I'm going to show you what we're up to tomorrow. So since I have a doctor's appointment in town tomorrow, I went ahead and unhitched the bug so it's ready to roll. And of course, Ninja is always ready for a walk. So we're gonna head out that way, see what we see. So out here in the middle is this interesting contraption, like a ramp to drive up on and wood boarding it up. It's almost like a dump truck would back in and, not a dump truck would back up to the wood, and some thing with dirt tractor would drive up there with the front load of stuff and dump it into the dump truck. I don't know, I'm just guessing. And then just slowly made it to me finally. You can see RV's a little bit away, but she's been a little bit hesitant because yesterday two guys were out in life golf cart type quads from the 55 and older RV resort right next door that there's a gate to come out of and go in, with their dogs off leash, and they decided to park right next to the RV and chat while their dogs ran up to my RV. So it kind of scared Ninja, I think. So she's been slowly walking, stopping and looking around this whole time, but now she gets to explore some old wood. So I had to climb up here. I figured it would entice Ninja to climb up here. We'll see. Again, the view of I-10. It's the White Tank Mountains, because I think there's some white tanks of water up there. And the I-10 and the 303 connection. Let's get a little bit better look. And the 303 eventually will go much further south, but for right now, it ends right about where you see it drop down and end. But eventually it's going to go south, and then right before the mountains bend to the left going east and connect into I-10, I believe. Once that's done, that's going to be a nice bypass for all the traffic coming from like LA, the semis that are heading east to go Tucson and on the I-10 further east to the east of the country. They'll be able to take that 303 loop to the 10 and bypass Phoenix altogether. So Phoenix traffic should lighten up, but that's probably 15 years away still. And we're just about back to camp as the beautiful sunset over the storage facility happens. Even though it's all those trailers in front and a wall there, it's still pretty beautiful. Look at those colors. And it's time to roll in the dirt for celebration of a nice walk. Gonna roll some more? Can you roll some more? There you go. Good job. Well, that concludes the short walk today. Ninja was a little hesitant to seem to go any further. She kept looking back here to camp. She's over that way now, still rolling. But that's about it. Got my doctor's appointment in the morning, so I ate a lot already today. It's one of our fighter jets, the Sound of Freedom right there. Luke Air Force Base is real close, several miles. Luke Air Force Base is actually located in Glendale, Arizona, a city on the west side of Phoenix, just for Jeopardy answer in case it ever comes up while you're on. But I'm not going to eat any more. I'm going to pretty much fast, even though it's only like a little after 5. Get to bed by midnight, get a good night's rest. I'm going to have one more soda, then nothing but water for the night, because tomorrow is going to be a blood draw, and I like it to be as clean and fresh of blood so that I can see what's going on in my body. So thanks for joining us on this walk and my day's adventure. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that thumbs up button. It really helps the channel and the algorithms and all that. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and you'll get alerts anytime I post a new video. That's free as well. Go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.